In this video, I will show you how to add an image or video in your Google Forms. To get started, please go to the Google Forms app and edit a form or start a new one. Mag-add po tayo ng image to a question. This is useful when you want students to analyze or give feedback or assessment to a picture. Click an existing question. To the right of the question, click Add Image. You can upload the image from your computer or click Camera to take a photo from the camera of your device. Or kung may URL link po kayo, you can select by URL and paste the link there. Pwede rin po manggaling sa Google Photos by clicking Photos or get the picture from your Google Drive by clicking Google Drive. Or pwede rin po kayo mag-search sa Google Search. In this example, I want to use Google Image Search. Think of the topic for your form and type in the keyword. Select one of the photos from the search result. Then click Insert. You can resize the photo and add the question. Now, let's click Preview. Ito po yung icon sa taas na mukhang mata and see what it looks like. Pwede rin po tayo maglagay ng image as option sa multiple choice and checkboxes questions. Edit a multiple choice question. Then in the option, let's click the Add Image icon and select the photo you want. Again, click po natin yung preview and ito po yung itsura niya. Now, let's add a video in our Google Forms. Ang video po ay hindi pwede ilagay as part of the question, pero pwede po maglagay ng video before and after a question. To add a video, click po natin ang Add Video icon. You can search a video in YouTube or pwede rin po kayo mag-copy, paste ng YouTube link under URL. I'll paste the link, wait for the preview to load, and click Select. Ngayon, pwede na po kayo maglagay ng instruction. For example, watch this clip and answer the questions that follows para po sa video. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.